I needed a new blow dryer, and this one is by Wycole. I think I'm saying that correctly. This one is really compact, but it really packs a good punch. It has a lot of air that comes out of this. It also has several different settings, so I used this morning for the first time. It does have the hot, medium, and a cool little blast button. Really easy. This would be great for traveling because it's so compact. I got the little pretty purple color, and it's really nice. This one is going to go with me on trips, but also I'm gonna put it in my guest bathroom because I think it's nice to have a nice blow dryer in my guest bathroom. But what a perfect size for travel. Anyway, I highly recommend this. It's really good. That little orange link down there at the bottom if you're interested in getting a new blow dryer.